So I've got these little boxes that are good for putting shoes in. I was going to use them for something else, maybe shoes. You've got a back piece. You've got a front piece with magnets. It says to simply get your sheet of plastic, peel off the protection. Very satisfying. And after you've done that satisfying part, it says to open the box, fold along the lines. There you go. There we go. Then it says they simply click into place. Get your piece. It's got a little rim. You pop it in like so. Follow it around. Like so. Follow it around. Like so. Just kind of popped out the other side. You're starting to see the problem here. It says that it should just clip in place. So I thought, okay, maybe it just needs the top putting on. It's got a rim, got two little flaps there and there, got little gaps there, brilliant. They're supposed to fold them over. Maybe you fold them in. I don't know, let's just find out. Let's see what it says. Follow the rim. This is what you call ball ache. Now maybe, let me see, these little plastic things. First fold the box along the then align the lid with the box and snap it on. It doesn't say anything about these little flaps. I fold it inwards, like so. I fold it inwards, like so. It doesn't say anything about this on the... You can take these off while you're doing it. Let's take the magic door off, because it's just driving me crazy. My God, click. Right, haha. Doesn't say this in the instructions. It doesn't come with any instructions, by the way. It didn't have a sheet of paper with it written on. So if you bought it for a present and sent it somewhere, they wouldn't know how to do this. Click. These little plastic bits here, sticking up. Fold them in. So now, let's see if we can hear that click again. Oh my God, this is fiddly as... Oh, click. Aha, now. That's more like it. There you go. One. These would be good for models, wouldn't they, as well? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in here. I do like them. Let's build them all. Should we build them all? Yeah, why not? Pop the door off for a second. I guess they've got little holes for their feet, yeah? Yeah, I'm taking the doors off. I'm not even attempting to put this on with the door flapping about. It'll drive me absolutely nuts. Plus it's all sharp. I'm lucky I've got the... yeah. I'm falling apart. That might be worth a video in its own. Our doctors where I live don't have a clue what they're doing by the looks of it. There's a couple that do. The pain management team are wicked. Look at that. Nice. Alright, it is plausible with the door on. Still. Could drive you crazy. Okay, it's looking pretty cool. If I had designer trainers or a pair of Michael Jordans that were worn by him back in there, or a pair of Ripley's Reeboks. Another one with the door on. Oh no! Door snapped. Oh no! So take the doors off before you do it. Oh, I should have just stuck to my system, eh? Broken off and fallen inside. They should have had a metal, if you're going to go through this, it should have had a metal pin through it that was in there. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Last one. Take the door off, then put it on. In fact, they should send it with the doors off already. By not having the door on, there's no way of you damaging it when you're doing that. And then the door will just pop back on again, which you've probably done 1,000 times before, which you can just literally do that. Say what? I've just been lucky enough to realise, right, it's actually, you want to make sure the pins are the same on both sides. The pins, oh, there's a right and a wrong way. I've just been lucky enough to have done them all the same. Magnets that side, magnets that side. Go in here. Holes on the bottom, pins on the top. Don't get the other way around. I've now super glued the little nubbin back on. This is really sketchy. Oh, super glued in. Alright, let that set, as it were. So, no way is again 5 stars. First off, one of the doors broke while I was making it. Luckily, I've got some super glue lying around. The doors should come separately. So once you put the framework, the plastic in, you then clip the doors in. I mean, that one broke while I was trying to do it with the door on. They didn't have instructions in the box. It wasn't clear that that had to be folded over in the corners. So for this, because of no instructions, because the piece broke, I don't give 2 stars because it's a bit stingy, because it is a pretty good idea, you know, it is cool. You could do something like that, you could have it as a little unit like that. If a cat jumped on it, I think they'd break. They're not sturdy enough to put something on. You'd have to put a piece of something on top. That would be nice. Just a little, you know, nice idea. I do like it, I'm going to use it, but it's only a 3 star. Dax79 out.